Yo, Shells Miller, you heard? Check it. Little freestyle. You know I'm smack. That's what I do. Count stacks. Little freestyle, I'm smack. Yo, check it. Check it. Queen, stand up, you heard? Red-handed, you heard? Miller gang, you already know. That's how I do it. Check it. Listen. I said I'm addicted to money. Stacking my shit is funny, I'm sick of these fucking haters bringing bad luck upon me. This shit is real, I'm hungry, ready to catch a jukes, get caught. I'm getting life for all the bread that I took. One hammer is over, the boss call me Jehovah. I'ma ride till I die, fucking call me a soldier. When I'm zoning, I'm thinking, niggas think that I'm drinking. Hammer is real heavy, it's ready to leave you stinking. Hollows blow up like missiles, exploding, ripping your tissues if it blow off a ligament. Fuck it, you got an issue, now you walking like a turtle. Ready to tell who hurt you, now it's time for the Ruger. You violated your curfew, now the world all mad at me, angry like a cavity. Try to catch me slipping, so bitches still embarrass me. Fuck, I ain't your average B or A capacity. Pants all sagging, yeah, lifetime salary. Let them know, free swole, that's my homie till we go. Any money good, if you like it, then I gotta go. Fuck you and who you know. Catch a hater by the toe. Time to a chair and watch his whole fucking body blow. Yes, I'm wavy. Hood and Queens raised me. Grew up a boss, I believe the gun saved me. Big gold shotty, stashed in the lobby. No more beef, please, no more bodies. Facing death every day, a lot of bread being made. Work giving heart attacks, a lot of chests being caved. Smoking that shower high 24 hours. New York City, we overpowered. Haters, y'all cowards, y'all sucking while I'm styling. G Squad to the sky, my niggas, we wildin'. My block to your block, a brick here, brick there. Loyalty is money, y'all niggas need to get there. Flow like butter, move real smooth. Fucking with a killer, my instincts gon' move. Rapping with a listen, your voice shit gon' lose. Silence to the 40 revolver, that's Pro Tools.